Hey, we're back with the Drupal regions. It's been like a day since I recorded, so I gotta remember. We got red dashed 1px border around every region since we edited region.html@twig. Okay, let's uh let's overwrite one region, but I'm gonna deal with these PHP Storm notifications. I'm gonna go ahead and let it enable Symfony support. Oh, I'm gonna have to shut down Lando. We're gonna have to edit start, and then while we're waiting, let's find a region other than top one. Let's use this. We are looking at the. It's really small. Let's do that. Control Shift plus 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 plus. So it's readable. All right. We got node view. No, we're looking for regions. So we're looking for the region this dealie is in, which is up here. And it is region content.html.twig is the theme suggestion that we want. This right here, because it has the star, it means it's a suggestion and it's not active like the X one down here. All right, so we will just copy region .html.twig. Let's see if we can make this bigger as well. This one's different. Control Shift period. I don't know about the UI part. Okay, we're gonna copy this. We're gonna paste it back into layout with the name region content.html.twig, which is already in there. Remember, I got it from right there. Now, okay. And we have our new file. Make it different from the others, or to distinguish it from the others, we will make it blue. I like blue. I'm wearing blue. A lot of blue. Oh, we didn't start DDEP. Try again. Try again. Try again. Good stuff. Some coffee. Black. All right, we're loaded. Try again. We have to clear the cache. Edev drush cr cache rebuild complete. Reloading. And is it blue? Doesn't look blue. I guess it is. Let's make it solid instead of dashed. Clear that cache again. Accidentally, but it'll work out. I clicked the Droops homepage. All right, so it does not look solid. Oh, that's because of the borders around it. My bad. Yeah, there's our blue border. So if we add some padding, margin, margin top, 10px, margin dash bottom 10px. Clear the cache. I'm gonna have to take care of that constant cache clear issue in the next vid. There it is. Okay, we put some margin on top and below our region content, or content region, whatever you call it, and you can see how it's done now. That's it.